This is the presentation of algorithm and flowcharting. Flowchart, a visual diagram using standard shape, oval, rectangle, diagram, diamond, and arrows to map out the step-by-step logic. Algorithm. An algorithm is a finite step-by-step set of instructions of rules designed to solve a specific problem or perform a task. IPO is an acronym means input, process, and output. Code is a set of instructions written in a specific programming language that tells a computer how to perform a task. Flowchart symbol, process, decision data, start, and algorithm and flowchart example. 1. Getting the average of 3 given grades of the 3 subjects. A. Math equals 80. Find final average of a subject. B. English equals 90. 7. C. Science equals 87. Final average. Algorithm. Start step by step. Input value for A, B, C. A equals 80, B equals 90, C equals 87. 3. Compute final average. Final average K plus B plus C. 80. K convert to 80, B convert to 90, C convert to 87. 257 is 385.7. 4. Display final average. Final average 85.7, and last step end. Flowchart. Start. Input A equals variable 80, B equals 90, C equals 87. Compute final average. Final average equals A plus B plus C times 80 plus 90 plus 87 by 257. 3 equals 85.7. Display final average 85.7 and end. Second, displaying the phrase I passed the subject 15 times. Counter is incremented by 1 or added by 1. Counter plus 1. Algorithm. Start. Initialize counts